Alright guys, welcome back again to the Nbot results. So you can see here I have two phones. One is, I just do a tutorial here for Bybit, and you can see we kind of actually make $18. Okay, last night we made $18 because the market kind of moved up and down. If you see here on the chart, it's nice. Okay, this is a ranging market for Bitcoin. Here you can see it's kind of goes up and down in the sideways. So this is actually the best scenario for the bot. Okay, now this is my Android phone, and I'm gonna show you the profit yesterday. You can see here you kind of make $50 yesterday, which is nice. Okay, let's go jump into the computer and I'm gonna show you more about this chart. So you can see right here, we're gonna make $50 yesterday, which is nice. Why? Okay, why is that we make $50 yesterday? Because you can see here for Bitcoin, you kind of go down, all right, and we kind of have open cover 1, 2, 3, 4, and then when the market goes up again, it takes all those trading positions and then we make all the profit from all those trading positions. If you see here, we actually make quite good money from Ethereum long position, a dot long position. We make on a $10 here and there, and then you can see the profit analysis. Our PNL is already 138 and we still have negative 46 floating. And if we look at our record here, you can see these are all the profit from the green one. And by the way, I already show you how this works. Okay guys, I already published a video yesterday. If I go to my channel, you can see I just published this video. Okay, I explained to you how the bot works, okay, in more detail. You can go watch this video or put a link down below. Now you can see for BTC, this is a very ideal market movement for the bot. Okay, this is very awesome. Okay, if you use the bot, this is much better. You can just set the bot and forget it. Okay, but if the bot run into this kind of situation, let me show you this coin. This is a bit dangerous. Okay, if something like this is happening, right, you could have a floating loss. Let's say, for example, because we are opening short position, okay, short or hedge, we have two positions, guys. We have short and we have long. Obviously, when the market keep going down, our short position is going to make the most amount of profit, but our long position here is going to be stuck. Okay, our long position is going to be stuck because, you know, the market just keep going down. Even though we do averaging, okay, even though we do averaging, our entry price is no longer here. Our entry price could be here. But you can see the market is still at the bottom, so it haven't touched this average price. So we could wait probably longer, couple of months, probably longer, okay? So if you can, right, try to, you know, read the market, what's going to happen in the market, and also choose a better coin, guys. Don't choose risky altcoins because risky altcoins tend to have this kind of price action. You can see it's very steep down. If I show you, look at it, 92%, okay, which is insane, right? Very insane. If you look at BTC, when it goes down, it's not as crazy. It's like 28%. If you choose risky altcoins, you can see it's 92%. So this is more dangerous. So choose your coin properly. And here, if you can see, let me show you candle. This is wave. Let me show you wave. If you see on my phone here, I have this position, wave short position. This is DCA settings though, it's not DCA AI. You can see that I have these positions. I'm shorting wave because, you know, I believe it's going to go down because you can see there's a pump here, 137%, and I do think it's going to go down. But never assume, guys, okay? The market can go against you. So it can literally just shoot up right this, because this is quite a risky altcoins. What you can do if this happens, you can cut lost it, okay? You can stop the bot, you can terminate it, and just suck it up, okay? Suck it up, take the loss a little bit there. You just admit that you do the wrong technical analysis. Because why? Because, you know, if I look at the weekly chart, and let me show you the RSI, you know, it could go up, because for waves it have been going down quite a lot. It have literally 8 red candles already, and probably this could go down. You know, it could go down or it could go up, but we still don't know, because this is a weekly chart. If I go back to daily, you know, the daily is still showing it could go down some more. At the end of the day, we are playing a game of chance, but it doesn't matter as long as you can manage it. Now the nicest one is this ranging market for BTC and Ethereum. Okay, if you look at Ethereum, let me show you the 4-hour chart. This is awesome. This is the ranging market from like 3,000 to 1,600. This is a very safe, okay, much safer than if you to compare to something like Wave. This is definitely scarier. If you look at the price change, it's 90%. If it goes up, 650%. So if you can read the market, you can play more risky coin. But for beginners, okay, for beginners, I suggest you play with a steadier coin like Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB. If you look at this, you know, it's just 50%. It's not that much. Even if it, you know, if it go down, it's like 40%. If it goes up, it's like 30%. So, you know, it's much more stable. The same thing for BNB. You can see BNB is kind of in this range, 400 to 250. And if you see the price change, sometimes is quite steep, 30%. And this one is nice though. Look at this, it's ranging around here. So around 9%. If you take the middle here, it's around 9% up, 9% down. So it's much more stable compared to, you know, other altcoins, especially Luna, guys. If you were to play Luna using bot, you will get liquidated. So choosing the coin is very, very important in order for you to make, you know, consistent profit. And you can see today we even make more. Just now I show you it's only $3, right? Now it's already $5. And you can see which coin that we just take profit. If we go to record, okay, BTC short, BTC just go down. You see this just go down. When we make this video, it goes down. Again, guys, if you want more details on how to make money using this bot, or you can click the link down below. I have full video how you can make money using this bot. This is for Binance, and you can also do it for Bybit. I have video for Bybit here if you go to my playlist. This one is for Bybit. I have this playlist for Bybit. If you click it, I show you how to sign up, how to deposit, and how to start the bot. Everything is in here. So that's it for this video, guys, and I will see you on the next video.